Yay, no date.
Yeah,
No age.
thank you.
I'm 1 year old now.
Yes.
I'm 7 years.
We can take a break.
You already blessed the food, right?
Hello.
Oh, wait, I'll just get some.
Maybe the kids likes cake or you. May pakistan ba yun? Ano yung natin? Knife holder.
Okay, so my mom
No,
was
no,
18
no.
when
I'm
she-
sorry. I'm
Like
sorry.
noodles too.
You're 18?
She was 18 when she grew up.
Some rice? Okay. He wants like
This is vegetable. Vegetable with pork.
okay.
With pork. And yeah.
Give it to Josh.
This is the sauce for that.
Is it spicy by any chance?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
That looks weird.
Watch out,
That's
Daniel.
salad. There's the dressing. This is the sauce for that.
Joshua, do
So
you
the
want,
rice.
do you want some of the salsa or just this? You want this or just this?
Sauce for this.
Okay.
I'll put it here so.
Oh, that's a little.
Got it.
Oh, Monica, will you want this?
You want to go sit on the table? Okay, come with me then. Where's your
Hindi dyan mo na yung cake.
Yeah, the dip. You want some rice? Chicken, so it's okay.
Inaamoy ko pa yung
Birthday boy, halika na.
Ang hirap mag-isip.
Kakain na tayo.
Doon ka kumain. Ako dito. Ha? Pwede?
Habang unahin ko. Pag nag-rice ako, mabubusog ako. Mamaya ako mag-rice. Ganun na tactic pagka siesta. Ulam mo lang, diba? Tapos saka mo lalagyan ng kanin. Pero dyan sa mabusog.
Pero namin mga bata.
I love them. They're very nice. From Krista, Noel,
They know that you're very nice to the two.
and they, you know, they are the one introduced me. They-
Monica pa pala. Yung mga kanila Monica.
Naayos ata yung mga bata.
Ate Crash, ito yung mga plate nila Monica.
Mamaya na yung pansin. Ito muna ang tinatarget. Ito muna.
Miss Rose, what do you like to drink? What do you like to drink?
No, not yet. I drink water, but later.
Do you want tea, Miss Rose, later? Have tea?
Later.
Hello. How cutesy.
Ito na siguro si Miss Rose. Are you okay in there, Miss Rose? Where's Kiara? Kiara! Miss Rose, where are you from? Where are you from? Oh, Mascara daw gusto niya.
I want some rice, Miss Rose.
Okay, thank you.
Nilaga na muna, tapos in-air fry.
Salamat sa inyo. Nahirapan kayo ng pagluluto.
This is our pork barbecue.
Ay, motherly ka na kumain.
I know, that's why I offered to.
Sabi na kasi, pinipinito yung bawal ko, magdadala ko ng beer.
Yan ang mga napagod. Yung pagluluto. Do you want some cake, everyone?
You're gonna blow your
You have to cut it first.
Ay, pakikat na.
blow na po kayo ni, ano, para maano na natin. Kaya mag-blow na kayo dalawa ni Topper.
Nagbublaw?
O, dyan naman, parang nakaharap ka din. Dyan, tsaka kay Topper. Daddy Topper. Matang-matang? Diyan naman siguro lahat. Parang po kayo. Wala naman may picture. Dami niyaman. Kasi oning talaga.
4, 1, 2, 3.